This is a tutorial for a behind the back pass. Take your hoop, put it in your dominant hand and start it in a lasso going anti-clockwise. Keeping that elbow tucked in to where your waist is. You are then going to turn to the side, keeping that elbow where it is, and then turn behind, swinging the hoop down to the base of your back. You then put your other hand in and exchange and turn and face the hoop. So it's side, back, and as you pass it, turn and face it. I've added it to an infinity toss, then into a back roll where I'm taking it off, and into a mandala. Petals, back pass, infinity toss, and that roll, taking it off with the other hand. And one more time, that roll, mandala, back pass, infinity toss. Play around with it, but most of all, have fun.